How you? Hopefully you are fine. In this video, I'm going to show you one indicator that is called King Cobra indicator. Here you can see only one indicator I'm using. Okay, and the name is King Cobra indicator, and it's giving you accuracy around 75%. Okay, first I will show you the results in all time frames in like forex, crypto, stock, and gold. I will show you the results in all pairs. Okay, and so first we have to check the back testing results. So we have to go to the bar replay mode, and then will select. Here you got the buy signal, and before buy signal we will need to check the bar replay mode, and let's see. Okay, we have need to click here just 3x, that is low speed, and let's see. Here we got the signal, and you can see is give amazing one. Here you can see that the reversal down signals and reversal up signals are also available. Here you can see reversal up signal, and this is reversal down signal. Here you can see it can also help, but we have need to concern on long signal and the short signal. Here you can see short signal and long signal. After getting the long signal, you can see it's give amazing one. Okay, here you got the short signal, and let's see. Here we go. It's give amazing one, another one good profit. Okay, I know you are waiting for the gold, and if you are a user from the US, Australia, Canada, then you are waiting for ENS, and I know you are waiting for the results in different stock, and will show you NQS by ES SPX. I know this is the good pair for the people from the UK, Australia, Canada, and we'll show you the results in all markets. Okay, do not worry, the indicator is working on all markets for a stock, crypto indices, and here you go. You can see the results as well in the back testing. Yes, little bit slow speed. Let's speed up this 7x. Here we go. Now we will still there is a slow speed of in the back display because of the slow internet issue from the last 2 to 3 days, but here you can see it's working awesome. This one is a very good one. This by say short long short signal is amazing one. This long signal is another good one, and here we got the short signal, and the results you can see here. Okay, it's already giving you a very good results, and here we had to end our bar replay mode, because this is the current date, like today date is 22 October 2025. Okay, here you can see. Okay, we have need to exit and just wait small time, because there is some slow internet issue, just like I mentioned. Now we have need to check the results in some other pairs, like here you can see after getting the short signal, market going slowly downside, but do not worry, and just wait for the buy signal, and will give you a better and better one. Okay, let's see the results in forex pair like gold. If you will see the results in the gold, it's giving you accuracy of around here you can see 74% accuracy. Okay, that's actually a very good one, not bad at all. But if you want to see the results in higher time frame, like 3 minute or 5 minute time frame, here you can see. Let me show you. I will show you the back testing results in the gold as well. Okay, just wait a few times, a few minutes. Okay, it's giving accuracy of around 76% in the 3 minute time frame. If you go to the 5 minute time frame, it's giving you accuracy of around 77.27%. That actually very good. Let's backtest this indicator in 5 minute time frame. Okay, let's see either the indicator is repainted or not. Let's find out. Okay, here you go. We got the short long signal from this point. Okay, and here you can see that as well, because there is a fake signal as well. So we'll backtest this indicator from this short signal. We will bug replay, start new. Okay, and we will backtest this indicator from this bill just before from this short signal. Okay, let's find out. Here we got the short signal. Let's find out. And the beauty of this indicator, let I will show you the detail. Let's okay now I will show you the beauty of this indicator. Okay, it's loading, and now here you got the short signal, and it gave amazing one. When you got the short signal, the price was 4,362. Okay, and market goes from 62 4360, and market goes below from 4200. Okay, and when you got the signal, the price was 362 minus 200, so you can say it's around 100 and more than $150 movement in the gold in just 5 minute time frame. And what does that mean? It means more than $150 means you are getting easily $300 plus in just one signal. Okay, just wait few seconds and minutes because of this slow internet issue, but it's fine in few seconds. Okay. Okay, slow internet issue creating problems. Let me find the issue, and we will open this trading view one more time, so we can see, you can see there is a small internet issue. Okay, but that's fine. I have need to show you the back testing, and let's find out. Go to the 5 minute time frame, and in we will check the results in the gold. Okay, there is creating issue. Let's close it because of the slow internet issue, that this is the problem. Okay, and just go to the gold, and okay, I will show you only few results. Okay, so you can understand better. Okay, we have just need to backtest this indicator just before from this short signal. Okay, it's still loading, and let's find out. Here you go. We will backtest this indicator from this point. So just before or from this show, actually the purpose of to show you the bar replay mode, that the indicator is 100% non-repented, and the people who are sensible and have any small knowledge in the crypto for pairs or indicators, and they will easily understand that the indicator is non-repented. Because if here you can see, when you got the signal, short signal, and you can see the market going slowly upside, if it is non repainted, its signal should be shift to the upward, but here you can see signal did not shift anyone. So that is the things and beauty of this indicator as well. Okay, here you can see after getting the short signal is giving with a lot size, with a small lot size, let 0.01 in the gold. Okay, only this is signal, this signal, only this signals give you more than $300 more, $300 profit actually. Okay, so in some time you will get a signal that will give you more than enough profit. And the beauty of this indicator is, let me show you. Here you can see the buy signal, long signal was not good enough, but just after getting the strong signal, the next signal will be more, and you can see the recovery signal. Okay, like here you can see it's give you a very small loss, or maybe very small profit. Okay, it will give, long signal give you a very small or maybe very small loss as well. Okay, So the next indicator, if you have a small loss, then do not worry, because in the next signal is your recovery signal, and you can see the accuracy here. Hopefully you will understand the whole concept now, and you need you I think you have you like this indicator as well, because more than 500 plus people are using currently this my indicator King Cobra, and never receive any complaint from any person. And if you need this indicator, then you have need to contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram, and Telegram, write one at the end, because if you want to contact me on my Telegram, because there are some fake Telegram channels, so you need to beware and do not join any fake Telegram channel. Gmail, simple hoga @gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. I give you the best explanation, and hopefully you will love this. And any question, any query, you can ask me. Now it's time to subscribe my channel. And any query, any question, do not need to worry about anything. Just need to contact me. I give you the best explanation and will show you the results. Okay, for the next video, bye bye. Take care.